What's up, everybody? I'm back with another Tool Deals video, and today we're picking up where we left off yesterday. And obviously, you know, I added more tabs. I just can't seem to help myself. So anyway, let's start over at Acme Tools, and they have a Bosch sale going on where you will get, it says free tool or battery with select Bosch kits. So some of these will come with, oh snap, this comes with a free hammer drill and dust extractor. What? I didn't see that. But anyway, yeah, it's a free socket ready impact driver. So I don't know if these changed or what. Okay, so I was gonna say originally that this Bosch stuff wasn't all that great, but I was really talking about the battery promotions, specifically on like this impact wrench, because why pay $3.99 for the kit and then you get a free 8 amp hour battery when you could go to Lowe's, make the same purchase for $2.59, and have your choice between a free starter kit or two 8 amp hour batteries, right? For $2.59. That makes the most sense. You want to get the two 8 amp hour batteries, obviously, and then just go buy you a little charger. However, all right, you look at this here. This comes with two 4 amp hour batteries. In addition to the two 4 amp hour batteries, it comes with the drill, the impact wrench was a freak, so it's impact wrench and an impact driver. Charger bag, and you get an extra $20 off. Come over here with racks, and I believe they have extra up to $90 off select orders of $2.99 plus. So you can use this along with your 2% cash back and your extra, if you're new, your extra $30 bonus if you use the link in the description to sign up. But I immediately overlooked this because it's $829 for this 1 9/16 inch rotary hammer kit. Now, I just showed y'all a rotary hammer, a Metabo HPT 1 9/16 over at Tools Plus for, what was it, $299? $299 wasn't the kit, but it was $299. This just simply comes with two 8 amp hour batteries and a charger, plus this, and it's $829. Now, 1 9/16 inch rotary hammer drill is not something a homeowner really needs, okay? This is you in construction for real. But look at what this comes with, though. It comes with, you buy this, you get now this is a 1-inch rotary hammer kit, which anyone could use. This would be great for a homeowner. And it's a kit. It looks like it comes with two 4 amp hour batteries. Yeah, these are 4 amp hour batteries. The thing about Bosch batteries, they're very small. Their 4 amp hour batteries look like 2 amp hour batteries, and their 8 amp hour batteries look like 4 amp hour batteries. Then you get this dust extractor. So the dust extractor is generally only like $139, but we just saw how much this was. It's normally $369. Plus that $139, you getting $500 worth of stuff for free for $829. That's actually not bad. It's it's just $1,000, but that ain't bad. So anyway, I didn't think I was gonna dwell on that long. I really only have one thing to say, but go through this page though. It might have some stuff you might want. And let's move on. But again, also go check out Lowe's too, because they have the same Bosch Pro Factor, well, a similar one, where you get to choose between the two 8 amp hour batteries or the starter kit, and these prices are much easier to digest. And here it is again, the 1 9/16 inch hammer drill, and it's $519 tool only. You pay the extra $300 over there at Acme Tools, though, you getting a whole lot more for your money. That's the thing. If you felt like this $519 isn't bad, hey, just go on ahead and spend that extra $310, because you're going to get the 1-inch rotary hammer, you're going to get the dust extractor, and a bunch of extra batteries. Yeah, so moving on. I'll leave the links to both. Now, I did spend a lot more time than I wanted to on this, but if you get any value from this video, I want to ask that you like, comment, subscribe, turn on the notification bell. I make these videos all the time, so you can make sure you're always getting the best deal on your tools. Now, stay tuned though, because I'm saving some of the best deals for last. Okay, I always do that, so don't go anywhere. Now, I wanted to tell y'all yesterday that a lot, and I did. I actually named the title of the video yesterday that the holiday sales is still going. It didn't mention none of the deals because I cut the video short. But yeah, all the buy one get ones are still live, and usually they die at the end of December. So they're still live now. So you have your DeWalt starter kit. Now this is sold out at Home Depot. The DeWalt starter kits, all the starter kits are sold out, but they sold out fast at Home Depot anyway, as they usually do, which is crazy. How y'all run out of batteries? But the Acme Tool still has it going on, and it still has the good. Uh, okay, well the jigsaw is gone. Impact driver, impact wrench, oscillating tool, reciprocating saw, circular saw, angle grinder, and the router is also out of stock. But you got 199 there, and again, just like Lowe's also has Rakuten and Retail Me Not. I think Retail Me Not is 3%. So you want to go with Rakuten. Then you have over at Lowe's, still same deal, starter kit 199, but everything is in stock. So you still have the jigsaw and you still have the router in stock over here too. So maybe go with Lowe's. They offer more cash back. But Lowe's is, man. I mean, me personally, I would go Acme Tools, especially if I knew I was keeping everything. I would go Acme Tools just because Lowe's customer service is terrible. But moving on, we're going back to Acme Tool. We have Metabo HPT framing nailers. Now, last year about this time, if you bought a framing nailer kit, oh snap! I just realized this is the 36 volts. This is 36 volt framing nailers, so never mind. This is different because last year was the 18 volt. If you bought the 18 volt framing nailers, you got a free 18 volt brad nailer kit too, which was crazy. But for this to be a 36 volt, this is not bad. So these came out like a year or so ago. And so if you order these, you get a free angle grinder. And so let's go take a look at the grinder though. I forgot to do that. I'm pretty positive it's going to be a 36 volt grinder, but I have some things to say about that. So yeah, so we know it's a 36 volt, and this is the one with the paddle switch. Now, I ordered a year ago. They had if you bought the bandsaw, you got the angle grinder free too, the 36 volt, but it was a side switch instead of the paddle switch. Now, I'm gonna tell you guys, I don't like it. This is my least favorite angle grinder. It really is. If you go back up here and just look at my video that I made on the angle grinders and just kind of run through them, I don't use them. I've used this. I'm just not using it on camera. Just for sheer ergonomics and features, I don't like it. So the brake is not great at all compared to even a Metabo, which I didn't even put in that video. But Makita, number one. Number two, Bosch. Then number three is kind of like a three-way tie between DeWalt and Milwaukee. But that Makita, whoo! That's a wonderful angle grinder right there. The switch is right there. It's perfect. Everything about it is perfect. So, yeah, I don't like it. So I say all that to say, I probably, maybe if you wanted to, you could buy this and sell that grinder. But it's harder to sell than Metabo HPT stuff. So anyway, I just want to make you guys aware of that. Moving on over to Home Depot again, you see the deals are still live. I don't think I need to remind y'all how this works. This is $3.99, and then you can get your free gift and keep it all or not. But just kind of going through what they have going on. They have that hacksaw. I've been talking about hacksaws a lot lately. And we have this Surge 18 volt impact driver, the jigsaw. Some good fuel tools this year. Some good fuel tools. I don't have a lot of these, honestly, but I'm kind of learning. I'm not really a huge Milwaukee fan like that. I love the power and everything. They work. It's just better tools out there. And oftentimes when you're shopping around, doesn't make sense to really do Milwaukee. But then sometimes it does. Depends. Then also we have this Ryobi, and you guys know how I feel about Ryobi power tools. Some of their newer stuff is pretty good. Especially if you don't use the tools daily, I would save the money and go with Ryobi personally. Especially with like this 4-power battery is good. I like a lot of Ryobis. I love their outdoor stuff. Lawnmowers and all that stuff work great. Their blowers. I love their outdoor stuff. Even their gas-powered outdoor equipment like their pressure washers and all that. I have all that stuff. Love it, love it, love it. They're excellent. Like this impact wrench right here is excellent. So this is a good mid-torque impact wrench. If you got this with this and kept it all, that'd be a great deal. You need a battery anyway. So this is a great high output battery. Their fans and stuff like that. I love all those things. It's just I'm not a huge fan of the power tools. So, but you do have this. You know how to work it out. Let's go ahead and add that mid torque. Add the cart. And see, right now, and it boils down to be the mid torque $86 if you already had a good high output battery, which you're gonna need a high output battery to get all the beans out of this. So if you don't have a high output battery, don't hack this. Just keep everything. But here's the thing. You're talking about this Ryobi. It's like, well, yeah, Chris, thanks. I'm gonna go ahead and go grab that for $189. That's a nice kit. Yeah, but let me just show you. For the same $189, you can get the same deal, but Metabo HPT. You're going to get the same mid torque, but this is almost best in class. What other mid torque beats this? Maybe the DeWalt. It's very close with the Makita. It's up there. The Ryobi definitely is not better than this. This has a lifetime warranty. It's IP56 rated, 189, and you get a 36 volt, 4 amp hour, 36 volt battery, and a charger that does way more than this Ryobi charger, because that charger from the Metabo HPT can charge your phone, it can charge your tablet. You don't even have to plug it into the wall. You put a battery in there and it'll charge your phone. So you really gonna go Ryobi? That's my thing. That's my thing. So, and with Metabo HPT, I like them because they don't do that high output battery, regular battery nonsense. Look, the battery is the battery. They're all high output, high quality batteries. You don't have to worry about that. Then you could take that 36 volt battery and put it on an 18 volt tool. It becomes an 8 amp hour battery. Then with these 36 volt tools here, which this is what this is, a 36 volt tool, you can plug this into the wall. You can buy the adapter, plug this into the wall, and it'll be rocking all day long. So it's better, right? So you get what I'm saying, y'all. Anyway, moving on. We still have this hacksaw, which is not a bad reciprocating saw. It doesn't have all the features. You can't adjust the shoe or anything like that. But it's a good, solid reciprocating saw for $79. Has a nice 3/4 inch stroke. I do like it. I have this one. I don't have the 18 volt fuel one, which I would. It has even longer stroke, but I just can't justify the price, honestly. I don't need it, and this has been doing everything I need to do. And if I need something a little more oomph, I just get a solid. I just use my Metabo HPT reciprocating saw. Moving on, we have this ratchet kit. Comes with two 2 amp hour batteries, and it comes with a free gift. So it's $299, which is kind of high, yes. But you actually get a legit, it's not a battery. You get a legit tool over here, and you can add a nice grease gun. And then you add that. Now that $299 all of a sudden not so bad now, is it? No, it is not. But if we add it, the grease gun comes down to be $111, and then this kit comes down to be $187, which is a great price because this ratchet is usually like $199 itself. So there you go there. Same deal for this Surge impact driver. The M12 comes with the battery, and you can add that to cart. You see what that breaks down to be. Going on over to Menards. I wanted to show y'all this yesterday. So they have this bag sale, and anything you could fit in a bag gets 15% off. I have not been. I think it's just your average size big bag, right? Big paper bag. If you over 35, we used to cover our books in school with these things. I remember how big this is. So this is going on through January 14th, and you see this faucets will fit in there. And there's some power tools that fit in there too. Look, let me tell y'all, I talked about Masterforce tools before, and I'll link another video in the description, or maybe up here in the right-hand corner if I remember, pitting their impact driver against against the main impact drivers, the Milwaukees and the Metabo HPTs and all of that. And they're powerful, man. They're big, but they're powerful. And Masterforce has really good warranties. So the way their warranties work, they all come with 3-year warranties. If it breaks, you don't ship it off anywhere. You take it right back to Menards. You say, hey, it broke. They'll say, go grab another one off the shelf, and off you go. I like that. You get a brand new tool, and most companies are not like that. So I like their warranty. You just walk in and walk out with a brand new tool. No waiting or anything like that. Very fast. And their tools are good. They work, and they're cheap. So yeah, take advantage of this. Go to Menards if you're in the Midwest and load up that bag. Moving on, just want to remind y'all of this Direct Tools deal with this Ryobi rotary kit Comes in this heat gun. Comes with this little, I don't even know what that is. This power source, automotive power source. You can run your laptop and all that. And it also comes with another free glue gun. So it's not several deals stacked on top of each other, 23% off. Plus you get this free glue gun. Plus you get this little power source thing. Shipping, of course, is there. But I also want to show you guys just some other things. Unfortunately, the good deals are not shipped to home. These vacuums are crazy. I talked about this carpet cleaner for a while, and I showed it to y'all when it was $69, and the thing is normally legit $199, like at Home Depot. I bought it for $69, and I was able to clean a whole 3,500 square foot house in several rooms. I did multiple times. Did a great job. I've done furniture. Man, it was great $69, and this thing is $45 now. 45. So if you live near a store, don't hesitate to pick this thing up. It is very good. And so I just wanted to let you guys know about that. Of course, when you order from Direct Tools, if you do like this, that shipping kind of kills the deal. So try to find something else to add, but it's not a lot going on over at Direct Tools. Finally, we have this Lowe's, over at Lowe's, this trade stack. Look, if you have any of these pack outs, DeWalt's, whatever, Tough Systems, crates are a good thing to have. So this crate is on sale if you have the trade stack for $14.98. Just wanted to add that. And last but not least, this is a really good deal. So big shout out to Jason. 341-piece mechanic set at Tractor Supply Co. $34.99. Now, I've seen some people in Houston get this thing. I mean, all the receipts are here. Lots of people. You got Michigan. You got, what's that, North Carolina? Yeah, Albemarle, North Carolina. I used to see that exit all the time, driving back and forth from D.C. to Atlanta. You got Michigan again, New York. I seen stuff from Pennsylvania, Utah, Texas. I seen some Oklahoma, Arizona. Lots of people getting this thing for $34.99. I'm about to drive out to, well, I'm going to call some first. You can't find it online, right? You got to just call. Try calling and ask if they have the Job Smart 341-piece mechanic set, and ask them how much it is. Ask them if it's $34.99. I'm going to make some calls today because I can't pass that up. I got to go for a ride then. See if I can pick this up. So that is it. Thank you, Jason, for contributing to the community. That is it for today. Hopefully it was helpful, and I'll see you guys next time.